Valiant GSL Yard 1232 being built for Government of Mauritius comes on the heels of commissioning of first Mauritius FPV CGS Victory at the hands of Honorable Prime Minister of Mauritius, Shri Anirudh Jagannath, in the distinguished presence of Honorable Raksha Mantri Ji on 10th December 2016. That is just about 60 days back. Followed by unslipping of second Sri Lankan OPB on 15 December 2016. We'll be delivering the fourth Coast Guard OPB, Yard 1221 on 5th February 2017 to Indian Coast Guard, which will be the fourth vessel of the series. Within last 6 months, we have delivered 4 Coast Guard OPBs, 1 FPV, 11 fast interceptor boats, besides many other small ships. I think there are no parallels of such rapid construction in Indian shipbuilding industry, and is clearly reflective of Yard's shipbuilding capabilities, commitment to Make in India initiative of Government of India, and is indeed a validation of our execution skills. The Yard is moving forward briskly to execute all the projects, including prestigious export orders within the contractual timelines. Keel of this FPV was laid on 22nd May 2015, and the vessel is scheduled to be delivered much ahead of the contractual schedule of June 2017. Hopefully, my Director of Ops was committing to me, he will be going to see in next 2 months' time. So I think we will be well within our target of delivering much before the first ship what we have delivered. First ship of this class was delivered about 45 days in advance. So this ship should be minimum 90 days in advance, and we are on target for that.